we are back at the apartment today. We brought the kids' mattresses over. We got their, what do you call it? Bed set up. So we're just washing the mattress pads right now. And then their bunk bed is set up, and then all their bedding is clean right here. So now Amelia's playing with the babies. I'm gonna set up the couch right over here. We got a couch at Ikea yesterday, and then we got, this is our like TV stand. So we'll get those done, and then the rug is supposed to come tomorrow. We got Amelia's rug today, so that's in here. And then we're gonna put the rocking chair over here, and then her crib, I think, like right over here. And then I need to get the curtains for her room. I have them ordered, I just haven't gotten them yet. Yeah, so we just have like a lot of boxes right now. What are you doing, baby? What's that? What's that?
Can we put our mattresses on our bed?
Can you and Sophia get your mattresses on the bed? Yours goes on top, and then hers is on the bottom. So have her help you, and you guys put them up, okay? And then once the mattress pads are washed and dried, then you guys can make your beds.
I'm a turtle.
Say hi, baby. Can you help Xavier get the mattresses on the bed, Sophia?
Yep, 1 second.
Thanks.
I think I have my bed organized.
Do you want to put the baby in the stroller? You can push the baby around?
My bed is there.
Yeah, say night-night, baby.
1 sec.
Okay, bye, Mama. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, go in your room.
No.
It's hard getting through that door, isn't it?
Where's the bowl?
Here, should I help you?
Mom. I'm gonna go check out a little bit. Sophia.
Can you guys get the mattresses up on your beds, please?
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Here's our magic trick. Oh, hello. Hi. Yeah, so stuff is slowly coming together. I got the cabinet lined the other night real quick. We got all of our kitchen stuff out of storage, and yeah, once these two goons get stuff done, it's slowly coming together. We're not really on any kind of timeline. Oh, is your baby crying? All right, so I'm gonna start on the couch now. Let's take a look at the couch in the box. Have you ever seen an Ikea couch in the box still? It's amazing. I think that is like the back of the couch. I don't know if these are the arms, I would assume, right here. We're gonna take the stuff out of the box and carry it into the living room because the box is like 150 pounds.
Yeah.
Look at everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young, pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. Can't give up. I just can't. I just can't give up. I've been caught up since the day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better.